How to measure your ring size at home.
What you'll need: a piece of paper, a pen, scissors, and a ruler.
Step 1.
Draw or mark a 1/4 inch gap near the edge of the paper.
Step 2.
From where you just marked, draw a vertical 6-inch line. The line should create a rectangular shape.
Step 3.
Cut out the rectangle, creating a thin strip of paper.
Step 4.
Wrap the strip around your finger, creating a ring shape, leaving a tail of the end visible.
Step 5.
Crucial step: mark where the tail end meets with the strip.
Step 6.
Use the ruler to measure the length of where you marked. Inches or millimeters is okay.
Step 7.
Identify your ring size with our sizing guide. For our complete ring resizing guide, visit our website at quickjewelryrepairs.com.